My first name is Nisarg. I am working at purchasing clerk for a construction company with a size between 100 and 250. And I would give a rating of 4 out of 5 for eMaint CMMS. So I joined the company about a year ago, and from ever since we have been using eMaint, and from the colleagues I've learned that we have been using for around 2 years or more. So I'm not sure which software we were using before that, but it's been running pretty smooth and efficient for us, for a construction company like us. Email is an exceptional maintenance management software that has truly transformed the way our organization works. So it enables us to track our inventory and equipment in real time. It also enables us to manage our maintenance workflows. It's and navigating through the email software is pretty simple and it's intuitive. So no extensive training is required to get started and to pick up the speed. The ease of use has been crucial in ensuring that our tasks get completed on time, and it's well integrated with other softwares, which is like ERP. So honestly, I don't have the first-hand experience with the onboarding team that was part of bringing the software to the company. But from my colleagues' experience, I could say that the process was very smooth, and the support team from eMaint has helped us a lot to get it started. And the initial and recurring training sessions were quite extensive to assist new learners, new users like me to learn it quickly and get expertise on it. So eMaint's assets management capabilities are top notch. It allows us to maintain our comprehensive database of assets and enables to track the inventory. So whenever preventive maintenance is required on one of our vehicles, this feature in eMaint helps us a lot. It enables us to set up the schedules based on time, usage, condition, and records. And so sometimes it's easy to overlook the critical maintenance tasks, but with eMaint, you cannot forget to schedule your maintenance task. So this proactive approach has helped us to reduce the equipment downtime and ensure that our vehicles, our equipment are up and running all the time without any difficulties. Additionally, the reporting and analytics tools in eMaint are very powerful and up to date. So we can generate custom reports based on the data, and it enables us to analyze maintenance trends, cost, and performance metrics.